Guys, welcome back to my channel Strong Funda. In today's video we are going to solve some of the most difficult, or say that the question that will require a conception and a logical thinking. And again, I'm repeating, my basic objective of this channel is to make your base strong, especially in the mathematics. So let's move forward and have a look about this question. Okay, so what's the question saying? That in a given figure below, the rectangle at the corner measures 10 centimeter into 20 centimeter, the corner A of a rectangle, and it is also point on a circumference of a circle. What is the radius of circle in centimeter? Okay, here's some of the option has been given. Okay, so what I want, whosoever is watching this video, if you are having a basic fund clear about the rectangle, square and circle, just pause this video and try to find out the solution of this problem. I hope that this problem will actually require your visualization and your deep thinking and your logical thinking as well. Okay, so now moving forward, let's go and see how to approach this problem. And you may see that this kind of problem may be asked in any of the competitive exam based on your your logical thinking and your understanding. You from your side may define this problem to be an easy or a hard or medium. Okay, so what I'm going to is do, firstly let's draw a center. Okay, this is the C, and let me touch this center from the point A. Okay, so and I'm just going to draw, this is the 20 centimeter, this is the 10 centimeter distance. Okay, I hope there is no problem. Now what we can do, that's it. Okay, I'm having in this figure in another slide. Okay, let's quickly go and draw this figure again. This is my center C. I'm going to draw a line which is touching over here, and if I'm going to draw a perpendicular, you know that in radius of a circle it is going to draw 90 degree. Okay, over here the perpendicular is 90 degree. Can I say this is the radius as r and this radius as r, and we know this is the distance 20 centimeter. Similarly, this is the distance is been given 10 centimeter. Okay, I hope there is no problem. So now what we can do is that, okay, this is the center C. Can we draw a perpendicular which is going to touch this parallel line? So this is the 20 centimeter, and I know this the whole is r, so remaining one will remain r minus 20 centimeter, and similarly over this will left out as r minus 10 centimeter. Okay, if I'm going to draw like this is my r, this is my r minus 10, this is my r minus 20. And okay, this is 90, this will also be r minus 20. So if I apply the Pythagoras theorem, r square is equal to r minus 20 square plus r minus 10 square. I hope there is no problem because this is straightforward. Now what we simply have to do is to find out the value of r. So if I apply the formula, 20 square minus 40r plus r square plus 10 square minus 20r. I have only applied the simple formula of a square minus b square. So this r square get cancelled, so it will be right, yeah, r square minus 60r plus square of 20 is 400, square of 10 is 100. This will become r square minus 60r plus 500. Now this question has become quadratic equation. So if I simply write over here r square minus 60r plus 500 equal to 0. R square minus 50R minus 60R plus 500 equal to 0. If I take R as a common, you can increase your speed if your visualization and your thinking is a little bit higher, so you can do it. So I'm having two value, either R is 10 or R is equal to 50. Okay, so the thing is that I have already taken R minus 10. So if I apply the R is equal to 10, so that length will become 0. Can it be, can this case be happen? No. So this cannot be an option. This only be an option. Let's quickly see if we do have the option of 50. Yeah, 50 is the answer. I request you guys, if you like the solution, if you like these questions which actually make you think like, okay, we have to do certain thing, it is building up our conceptual thinking, please do like my video. And if you feel so it is valuable, please do subscribe my channel, so I would be coming up with these kinds of question. All right guys, I'll meet you in another video. Thank you.